Okay, so, hi, Bep. How many kilograms is equivalent to 1 meter? Alright, so I notice you see how people are saying kilograms measure in weight, not length. That's all fine and good, and I'm going to do some explaining here to help you understand measurements in the metric system. So here I go. Let me clear this quadratic formula. And so basically with the metric system you have a unit, and then you can go up by multiples of 10 to get to a prefix that describes the unit by the how many magnitudes away that unit is from the others. So let me explain this as, so say you have a unit, and then you have 1/10 of that unit, or 0.1, and say then you have 1/100th of that unit, and then you have 1/1000th of that unit, and then on the other side you have 10 of that unit, then you have 100 of that unit, and then you have 1,000 of that unit. So now you have this nice line laid out here, and here are the prefixes associated with the unit, and the unit will be something like a unit of length, which in the metric system is the meter, a unit of mass, which is the gram, a unit of time, which is the second, which you're very familiar with. And so I'll show you how to write out one, and according to, let's just go with meters. So you're going to have meters as your root, and then you're going to have prefixes for each one of these. And so 1/10 is a deci. So you have decimeters, and then if you go to the 1/100th, you have centi. You know, a centimeter, that's probably familiar, you've probably heard of a centimeter. And then you go to the thousandths position, and then you have a milli. Alright, so you have millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, and then you can also have something, you can also have gram here too. So you have milligram, centigram, decigram. And then you have, on the other side, you have deca. So the difference here is it's an A instead of an I. So deca means 10 times. So it's 10 grams, 10 meters. So it's a decameter, a decagram. And then you go up one more, and you have, this one's kind of weird, it's called a hecto. And that's 100 meters. A heck a lot of meters, hectometer. And a hectogram. So a hectogram is 100 meters. A hectometer is 100 meters, and a hectogram is 100 grams. After that, you have 1,000ths, which is kilo. So if you have a kilometer, a kilometer, that's 1,000 meters. So if you're wondering how many meters in a, so how many meters in a kilometer? Well, as you can see, there's a 1 meter, and then here there's 1,000. So that means there's 1,000 meters, 1,000 meters per 1 kilometer. Okay? And so, and you can also use abbreviations for each one of these. So this one, you just do a little d, and then so it'd be dm. This one would be cm, This would be mm. This would be meters. This one would be, I think it's deca. I actually don't think there's an abbreviation for that one. But then there's hectometer, and then there's a kilometer. So I think you just use capital letters for that one. But anyways, I hope that helps you understand the metric system a little better. It's a lot nicer than, there's 12 inches in 1 foot. And then there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So be glad you're learning the metric system, because metric system is very nice for science and it keeps everything nice and neat and straight. All right, hope that helped you out.